Let me explain what a portfolio is. So your CV is just filled with text, and to be honest, I think it can get boring. Most times, it doesn't really highlight your actual achievements. In some cases, some people will tell you, oh, once you are done with your job, like what you did in that company that you're working with, put key achievements on that. However, that makes your CV to be too wordy. And usually they would say a standard CV should have 2 pages. So 2 pages is actually not enough for you to showcase your achievement and all the things that you've delivered in the past. This is where portfolio comes in. Portfolio is a place to boast and show off all the things that you've achieved in such a way that it is beautiful and enticing, that no one wants to look away from the things that you've done. You can showcase the projects you've worked on, the results, the outcome of that project. You can showcase testimonials. You can showcase your own personal website. You can showcase anything you want on your portfolio. I think everyone should actually have a portfolio. And if you don't have a portfolio, try to build one today. And on this video, I'm going to show you how to build one. So when you come here, you type Gamma. Let's imagine that you haven't logged into Gamma before. So this is Gamma. It has this blue logo, blue and white logo. So when you click on this, as you can see, I already experimented creating portfolios for myself, but let's try to create a new one. So you have the option of pasting in text. So you create from your notes, outline, or existing content, or you generate from a one-line prompt in a few seconds, or import a file. So in this case, I want to generate. So by generating, AI will actually generate a portfolio for you based on what you have typed in. So in this case, create a product manager portfolio for Nena Obasi based on the products delivered for XXX company. Number 1, distribution account, which is a new entity. Number 2, migration of data from cloud-based AWS. So basically, this is just me putting in what I have achieved and telling Gamma to generate a portfolio for me. So when I click generate outline, in seconds, actually, it has already generated this whole outline based on just this little text here. And then when I click on generate, yeah, it's generating a portfolio for me. Okay, so it has finished generating this portfolio for me. Just one thing to know, this is actually editable. So in this case, it has given me a picture. this looks nothing like me, but I can change the picture if I want to. So it has already said, oh, Nena Obasi product manager portfolio, an experienced product manager specializing in cloud infrastructure and data platform solutions with a proven track record of delivering enterprise grade products that solve complex technical challenges whilst meeting business objectives. And then it goes ahead to produce my product manager management expertise. Then this is what I deliver. These are my achievements: distribution account, AWS to Azure migration. It talks about my challenges and solutions, impact and results, the skills and tools, and summary and future direction. It is so good that it actually generates what you need, things that you haven't even thought of. It will put it in your portfolio, and this is completely editable. If you do not want some of the things to be here, if it doesn't reflect what you have actually done or what you've achieved, you can take it out. But I find that Gamma is a wonderful tool in generating portfolios. You can also use it for presentations and all of that, but in this case, we're talking about portfolios. So if you are thinking of ways to create your portfolio in a way that looks very professional, very clean, very neat, then consider Gamma. If you are interested in using Gamma to create a portfolio for yourself, the link is in my description. So you might wonder, how do you showcase this portfolio to the employers? This portfolio would originally go into your CV. I can just open my CV and show you an example of how this portfolio can be presented in your CV. You can see that in the header of my CV, I have somewhere called portfolio, and you will just insert it as a link. So if someone clicks on this, it will take them straight to my portfolio. So this is what you want to do. This is the whole aim. So even wherever you submit your CV to, once they click on your portfolio, they can be able to see all your achievements.